In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update YouTube Studio app. On an iPhone, be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first you need to open up App Store. Once it is done, tap right here to go to search. Then tap at the search field and then enter Y, T and then space. So that's how we can easily find YT Studio, which is actually YouTube Studio. Now we need to tap right here to open it up, and that's where we can easily find this update button. Now to get the latest YouTube Studio app version, you just tap right here to start downloading, and then just wait until it is done. If right here it displays you the open button, it means that the latest YouTube Studio version is already installed on your device, and you don't need to update it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button